Lipton's seat is one of Sri Lanka's most scenic lookouts, combining history, tea culture, and breathtaking landscapes. Lipton's seat is a famous viewpoint located near Haputale in the Badula district of Sri Lanka's Uva province. It sits within the Dambaten tea estate, founded by Sir Thomas Lipton. About 1,970 meters, 6,460 feet above sea level. On a clear day, you can see 5 provinces from the top: Uva, Sabaragamua, Central, Southern, and Eastern. The panoramic view includes rolling tea plantations, valleys, lakes, and distant mountains. Sir Thomas Lipton, the Scottish tea magnate, often came to this spot to survey his tea empire. That's how the viewpoint got its name. The hike drive usually starts from Dambaten Tea Factory, about 7 kilometers away. Visitors can walk, tuk-tuk, or drive, though the last stretch is quite steep. Best time to visit: early morning, before the mist covers the view.